Lesson 6. Build good printing habits. Do your 3D prints keep failing? Broken parts? Stringing? Or a full spaghetti mess? Before blaming the model or the printer, check the small habits that make a big difference. Here are 5 simple habits to improve your print success rate. First, keep the build plate clean. If your model shifts mid-print, the build plate is usually the culprit. Oil and sweat from your hands reduce adhesion and affect first layer quality. Wash the build plate with dish soap and warm water, rinse, dry, and place it back in the printer. A clean build plate helps bring adhesion back fast. Second, let the print cool before removing it. When the build plate is still hot, do not force the model off. Wait until it cools to room temperature, then gently flex the build plate, and the model can release on its own. Third, keep your filament dry. Damp filament can cause stringing, oozing, and popping or crackling sounds during extrusion, all signs that moisture has gotten in. If you have an AMS2 Pro, store your filament inside and lock both side buckles. Set the drying time and temperature based on the filament material. Dry first, then print. No AMS2 Pro? Seal your filament in an airtight container with desiccant to help keep moisture out between prints. Fourth, run automatic calibration when needed. After moving the printer, updating firmware, or noticing a drop in print quality, run automatic calibration. Keeping calibration up to date helps keep print quality consistent. Fifth, clear purge waste regularly. Every print can generate purge waste, especially during color changes and at the start of a print job. Let it build up, and it can overflow and cause problems. Master this 5 small habits for cleaner, smoother, more reliable prints. Follow Bambu Lab Academy for more practical 3D printing tips. Visit Bambu Lab Academy at bambulab.com/academy.